Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. Welcome back to my channel. I am feeling a little rusty. I have not filmed anything for the last 2 to 3 weeks now. As you guys know, if you follow me on social media, I have been very busy spending my time and energy supporting the Black Lives Matter movement, and we are in the middle of primary season in New York City, and I am very politically active, so I have been supporting the candidates in my area that I align with, and that's kept me pretty busy. Also, it's the end of school. My daughter's in the last few weeks, so I'm a little rusty, so I hope you guys bear with me, but I have a lot to show you, some of the fun, cool stuff that I received in the last few weeks, maybe even longer. So let's just jump into it. And the first thing I'm going to show you is from Mignon Faget. I am so excited to open this box. Mignon Faget is a jewelry company that's based in New Orleans. I have been a fan of Mignon Faget for years. If you are from New Orleans, you know Mignon Faget. It is the thing that husbands get their wives, that parents get their daughters. They do have a men's line now, so it's not just for women, but I've been a fan. My husband's purchased. I feel like a true New Orleanian wife because my husband buys me Mignon Faget for Christmas. Here is the box. And this came beautifully wrapped. Okay, so they've sent me 2 items. Thank you so much, Mignon Faget, for reaching out to me because I am a huge fan, and this is just like such a great treat for after such insane, draining, difficult couple of weeks, months now. This is a really nice treat. So here is the first box. Again, love how they wrap everything, really beautifully done. And so that's the box, and then it comes with its own dust bag. So here is one of their newest bangles. They are known for their bangles. They come in different colors. They're themed for Mardi Gras and Saints, black and gold. They also come in different metallic tones. This one, as you can see, is gold tone, but this one has pearls attached to them. So, so beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I've started my Mignon Faget Halo bangle collection, so this is a really, really lovely addition. Just beautiful, and I love pearls, so this is right up my alley. This retails for $155, and I'm really excited to add this to my stack. Really, really nice. Wow. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh my goodness. How stunning are these? These are Mignon Faget's Halo Loop Earring Pearls. These are just gorgeous. Oh, this is so beautiful. So these go, I mean, perfectly together. I'm loving this new collection from Mignon Faget. I'm gonna try this on right now. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I love it. Love this set. I'm definitely going to be wearing this 8-ton this summer. Again, a huge thank you to Mignon Faget. These pieces are absolutely exquisite. As expected from Mignon Faget, I love their pieces. They're so beautiful, so gorgeous. I'm really, 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 really happy with these. Thank you so much. The next box is from Good Molecules. This is a brand that is sold at Beautylish. So really excited to check these out. This is the first time I've ever received anything from them, so they sent me a few products here. This is their Niacinamide Brightening Toner, formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin, and licorice root extract to brighten and improve appearance of enlarged pores. Cool. This is their niacinamide serum, formulated with 10% niacinamide to refine skin texture and minimize pores. Ooh, I have texture, so love products that help with that. This is their silicone-free priming moisturizer, formulated with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and a plant-derived silicone alternative to deeply hydrate, smooth, and nourish the skin. Ooh. And last but not least, this is their Clarify and Cleanse Bar, a soap-free cleansing bar formulated with white willow bark extract, kaolin clay, and cocoa powder to help maintain a clear complexion for acne-prone skin. Very nice. The next box I'm gonna open up is from Pixi. Pixi by Petra. Ooh, I've been dying to open this up. This has been in my apartment for too long without me getting to play with this. So a nice size travel bag right here, which is perfect because I have a trip coming up. Awesome. And, ooh, check that out. Wow. Very cool. Perfect for traveling. It has a hook so you can hang this up in the bathroom of your hotel room or in the Airbnb or wherever you're staying. Love that. Super handy. And it says here, introducing our new Retinol and Jasmine collection. Renew and rejuvenate. Skin smoothing must-haves to help replenish for a renewed, more refined complexion. So let's take a look at this collection. We have here the Pixi Retinol Jasmine Cleanser, a smoothing cleanser with retinol and ceramides. Then we have here the Retinol Tonic, Retinol and Jasmine Flower Smoothing Toner. And then we have the Jasmine Oil Blend, Jasmine and Evening Primrose. This is cool. This exquisite oil blend is especially effective in helping skin recover from loss of moisture and dullness. It helps to calm and restore stress and unbalanced skin. Okay, then we have the Overnight Retinol Oil with retinol and peptides. Then we have the Retinol Jasmine Lotion. This is a smoothing moisturizer. And then last but not least, we have the Retinol Eye Cream with retinol and peptides, a smoothing eye cream. Awesome, amazing. You guys know that I've featured Pixi many times on my channel. They have excellent skincare at really affordable prices, and you can purchase all of this at Target. Now I want to shout out my DermaE family. They are so sweet and have been so great to me. They sent me a gift box at the beginning of this pandemic, and it included a coloring book for my daughters and then a Mommy and Me apron set. So I just have to mention that because it's so sweet and thoughtful, and I just love that. Really appreciate them. They have sent me several products over the last few weeks, and I am not going to show you everything. I'm just going to show you the ones that I'm like really excited about and that are different. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this CBD line that they just released. And it includes the DermaE Skin De-Stress Calming CBD Cleanser. It says it has phytocannabinoids, hemp seed oil calming complex with cyanogenol, aloe vera, and herbal extracts. Then there's this one. This is their Skin De-Stress Calming CBD Serum with the same ingredients. And then this one is their DermaE Skin De-Stress Calming CBD Moisturizer. So very cool set right here. CBD oil is known to really enhance the ingredients, the effectiveness of ingredients that are included in skincare. So if there's something that's moisturizing, that CBD oil is going to help it be really moisturizing. And this entire set is meant to calm skin. So if you are having irritation, if you are red, if you've overdone it, which I have done, if you've overdone it with your skincare and just it's a little bit inflamed or sensitive, then these calming products would be something that I definitely recommend you check out. And also obviously CBD is a great big trend right now, especially in skincare. So if you've wanted to try CBD products, then I definitely encourage you to look into these because DermaE makes excellent skincare. Their stuff is really effective, really good, and they just use really great quality ingredients. So I always recommend DermaE. Something else that they've released that I think is super interesting and perfect for the summer is their DermaE Essentials Sun Protection Mineral Powder SPF 30. This is Broad Spectrum SPF 30 by Ash De Leon, which is at iHeart Makeup Art. So this is a collaboration piece. We are in summer, and so wearing SPF is absolutely crucial for your skin, for your skin's health, for your health. So I love that DermaE is now doing these SPF products. This one, again, is a sun protection mineral powder with SPF 30. And again, it's in collaboration with Ash De Leon, and her handle is at iHeartMakeupArt. So apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Okay, so I love that this is handy because you could just stick this in your purse. And then here is the brush. Oh, you just do that. And then the product, you just, cool. And it has a nice finish to it too, so very nice. So yeah, super handy to have. And the cap prevents more products from being released while you're carrying it around, so really well designed. Love that. They have a brightening cleanser which has licorice extract and B3, and they also have some anti-wrinkle products. This is their anti-wrinkle cleanser with vitamin A and glycolic acid, and then an anti-wrinkle eye cream with vitamin A and E. And that is everything that I'm going to show you in today's video. Thank you so much for being so patient with me, for coming back to my channel to see some of the great products that have been sent to me and all of my content just in general. Thank you guys for being patient with me and for waiting for me to come back. I love, love, love you guys. Please let me know if you have any questions, any requests, or just want to say hi. Use that comment section below because you guys know that I love hearing from you. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you again for watching. Stay tuned.